Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's been a while. And as you guys can see by the title of the video and the looks of everything behind me and things that you're going to see throughout the video, we're going to do an extreme room makeover, organizing, decluttering, new furniture, like a whole room makeover. I've been MIA, but this is not the video to be talking about that, so I don't even know if I'm really gonna talk about it because the only real answer would be life. Yeah, and that can consist of a lot of things. So nothing deep though, nothing deep. It is currently 5:36 p.m. on October 3rd, so I just came back from the gym and I'm gonna start on my room. Today's main focus is, I think, just organizing and decluttering and taking things off the wall, I believe. I'm just a little bit nervous about when it starts getting dark because, like, it's gloomy out today. But the little sunlight, I guess, that we have right now, when that's gone, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do. I don't know. I have everything written down, y'all. I'm trying to be super organized. Let's see. Yeah, so today's gonna just be cleaning, decluttering, and removing wall art. So yeah, everything on my walls will be off, organizing, and yeah. So my bed actually came in today because I do need a new bed. It came in today, so I'll probably show you guys that in episode 2 because this will be like a mini series. And not only is it a series, but it's also a way of me getting back in the groove of like editing and filming for you guys. So yeah, I'm being consistent, getting in that motion. Okay, so let me show you guys what we have. So this is my bed, and this is gonna be so raw, like so raw, like I'm not even joking with y'all. This has been my room for a couple months now. I have not been sleeping in here. I've been sleeping in my mom's room because my bed is basically broken and I don't trust it. Here and there I'll sleep in here, but for the most part I'm in my mom's room, and I'm not ashamed to say that. So yeah, but things are starting to come in the mail, like my bed and things like that, so hence why we are doing this video. But yep, these are my clothes. And then we have my vanity. Hey guys, this is my vanity. All of my makeup, hair, still some more clothes. I don't even know what all that stuff is. This area is actually pretty organized. And this is just like clothes or whatever. Okay, yeah, so it's gonna be super dark in here, but this little area is all of my fall clothes. Well, it's not fall clothes right now. I have to switch it out, but I'm gonna do a TikTok for that, so I'm gonna leave it today. But that's pretty organized. And then this is my closet. Not too bad. It's just my bed and my vanity and whatever else is like extra on the floor. So yeah, calendar needs to be switched. All the wall art needs to be switched out, and or taken down rather. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today.
Dress, it's you alone with your regrets. All that pumping up your chest, all that talk about the best. You know how sticky it gets. hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash to the moon, run, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my jeans. Chanel a dress, you know my miss. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. Who's on the team? In the club, boy, like I Uber the jets. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Him in my bag, gon' get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shit's for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the desk. All the cool fast when they in with an S.
Now that I'm home, back out the road, we shut it down, where they sold. Checks on the streets, they number foes, Saint Laurent feet, put it on toes, take it with me, double your dose, double with angels that's watching my soul. Soldier boy, tell me.
Alright, you guys, so I'm not sure I'm gonna edit this video, but it's October 6th. What time is it? 5:18. So I just finished clearing off my vanity. I was gonna go through everything, like organize it, throw away stuff, keep stuff, whatever, but I have homework and other things to do. Plus I'm getting hot, plus it's getting dark, and I wanted to record everything for you guys because I've been doing a lot off camera, and I was like, let me pick up the camera, add this to the video, whatever. So I just came back from the gym, cleared out the vanity. The vanity is actually gonna get, like, what would you call it, reupholstered or remodeled, I don't know, but it's I'm gonna show you guys a room update. I'm gonna show you guys why I'm gonna like remodel my vanity, and then we're gonna bring it downstairs in the garage. Sorry for the camera shaking, but yeah, we're gonna bring it in the garage so that we can start working on it. And yeah, we're like, it's a process, but we're getting there. Alrighty, so this is lifting. I did this little DIY project one night. I do a lot of things at night. I don't know, that's when my brain actually wants to work. It's weird, but so in the clip before this or the clip after this, you guys will see me taking everything off or whatever, but this is lifting. So we're gonna hold on, whatever, it's lifting here too, and then over here, like, it's easy to come off, easier than I thought it would, because I actually used resin, but I guess I did it wrong, which is good now because I actually don't even want it on there anymore. So we're gonna have to take it off, sand it down, whatever. So yeah, and I actually plan on measuring these. This is gonna get painted too. This is like dust, makeup, hair products, like the whole thing needs to be redone. So I'm gonna measure this out so I can get those acrylic trays to perfectly fit, so I can just put my makeup on there, so like my actual vanity doesn't have so much stuff on it. Or I can just put, like, you know, my crystals or my Bible, something, I don't know. I gotta work with what I have, so we'll see. For the most part, I think I just want like all my makeup and everything stored in here, and then I don't want it to just be empty, so I'm trying to think of what I could put on there. Anyways, room update. So everything's off the walls. I did that the other night. Why is it getting dark? Thank you. Yeah, so I took everything off the wall. That's gonna come off soon, just my calendar. And yep, nothing's on the wall. Like I said, I did that the other night. This is everything that was on the vanity, clothes that just came out the wash. So yeah, everything else just pillows, whatever. Everything's gonna come out when it needs to, but we just wanted to do the big things right now. And under my bed had a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. Like, I'm not even embarrassed to say it, which I should be probably, but that's just the reality of it. So yeah, I went through that last night, and I should have picked up the camera, but I don't know, whatever. I picked up the camera today. Oh, I wanted to show you guys that too. The ceiling is painted. You guys are probably wondering what that stain was, but it's too hard to explain. But basically, the air conditioner leaks sometimes, and it leaks into my room, of course, like, just had to be my room. And it leaves like a stain. So we were gonna get a painter, but it was just better to just do it ourselves. because, you know, they be taxing, they be overpricing for no reason. So yeah, if it happens again, I'm probably just gonna have to get my whole ceiling redone, and then that's when we're gonna have to have someone come in. But yeah, for the most part, it looks good. Still have some cracks right there, which is, I don't care, as long as it doesn't have that stain anymore. Like, I didn't even want to record in here at all because you could see it. Like, it was just, ugh, I hated it. But yeah, it's looking good, and the walls are gonna be like almost white. So this cream nude is gone. It's gonna be gone, which I'm happy about because I don't like it.
It's not Pepsi, I'm just pouring up the shots. I remember that I told you I missed you, that was kinda like a mass text. I remember that I told you I loved you, that was really in the past tense. I remember that I told you I get you, truth is that I get around. Let you have it, us a kid, 42 here, I send a kid around. Yeah, on Benedict with the top down. Shorties out here getting knocked down. City coming off a lockdown. Rap niggas doing weak features for a pop artist cause they pop down. Used to wanna throw the rock up, niggas know how. Look at me. Look me in the eyes, Junior. For real. I'm trying to find the word to say.
This bitch got me paying for tips. Diamonds on the neck, diamonds on the wrist. And here I am all alone. I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play. Only me, but I was wrong. Is she my fault? Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Frontin' like you numb, it got me gone. Only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even try?
Alright, y'all, so we're in my room right now. Like, I feel like we're back to square one, like with the room looking a mess. But I have my clothing rack right here. I'm about to transfer everything to my closet for now. And then I think I'm gonna bring this downstairs or put it in the hallway or something. And I have more clothes on my bed. Yeah? Anyways, and apparently I have to dust off the walls as well. So it's currently, and I have so much stuff to do. 12:36. I want to be done 1 o'clock. We'll see. I'm gonna update y'all. But this is the let's transfer these clothes.
When we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, cullin' and shot in my driving lane solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money 8 ways like an octopus. Over in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck, then we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get fast, she fast. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, they had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sending out shots till the files get flamed. Switch up my route till the house had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm trying to leave me on low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring it around. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do what we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah, you tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. Yeah. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more. I put on drip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more.
Alright, you guys, so this is how the room is looking. I just kept whatever was on the bed on there and just put the plastic wrap over it. Okay, so that over there and the bed needs to be moved to the middle so that I can finish dusting those areas and then so my mom can paint. But this is a room overview, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the room yet, where I'm going to put things. But this feels so weird, like, I don't know. So, I'm kind of recording this so I can see how and where I want to put things. As y'all can tell, everything is in the hallway. So yeah.
Running back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. If I know psycho, make a traffic psycho. Baby, if you nice, I go drive me psycho. If you happy, dirty, don't they make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things. If I say I love you, then I'll tell you like so. Show you everything when I was tonight. True that, make you utilize up. Y'all when we talk, we go revive. Give you many things, we put them make you dance so. Y'all make you back up with the standing mic. It's falling and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need